let's read through these instructions. That way we can talk it out, what's relevant and what's not relevant, and what you really need to pay attention to.
Okay.
Okay, we got a volunteer?
Sure, I'll start, I guess.
Okay, go ahead.
Okay, so step number one, you gather the following documents: your original or certified Section 1 documents um, printed on the bond paper, your original Section 2 documents also on bond paper, your certified birth certificate, your original birth certificate, bond printed on a laser printer and not a jet ink on bond paper. Original birth certificate printed on bond with a laser. Isn't that what they usually give us when we're requesting it?
Yeah, they usually use a laser colored printer. They say
Okay.
you can't copy it, you can't do this, you can't do that.
Okay. So the ones, if you order a certified copy, then that's already taken care of. Okay.
Right.
All right. Step number two: use a stamp or a computer printout or hand print the words of the large birth certificate stamp accepted for value in red at a 45-degree angle from the lower left to the upper right on the back side of the birth certificate, which you fill out with blue ink. Use step number
Okay, so
three.
hold on. Let's stop right
Yeah.
there for a second. Now, this large A for V birth certificate stamp, I am going to do a video when I make your stamp for you guys. Okay, so this is going to be something that I'm going to, like, it'll show up in your folder. So that way, when you go to print it, you just make sure the dimensions cover, you know what I mean, the area it needs to, and then you just print it over top of your copy.
And
Okay,
what you do, you place your copy in your printer upside down, and you print that on the back of the birth certificate, and it'll print it out every time. But you make a copy of your birth certificate on regular paper,
right,
put the paper in upside down, and print it and see how it comes out. But
right.
that's the way you put it on your birth certificate.
Yeah, you definitely want to do test copies and make sure you're getting everything going the proper direction. But what I'll do is I'll do a video that will show you guys how I would make these stamps reusable, because you have to know how to get the font at a 45-degree angle, right? And since y'all are going to be like starting to handle more of your own business from here on out, I want to show you how to do it in case you have to make a special endorsement copy that needs to be vertical, but it needs to say whatever. That video will show you how to do that. Like, it'll show you how to change the direction of the text and the color and things like that. Okay, I mean, does that sound like it would be helpful? Because I want you guys to start grabbing tools, you know what I mean, from here on out. I don't want to just keep doing stuff for you. I want to, like, if I'm going to do it for you this time, I'm going to show you how to do it for yourself as well.
Yeah, definitely. That would be helpful. Thank you.
Okay.
Showing at least once, it will definitely help.
Yeah, and it'll just be like, I'll do a video, I'll put it in the module. It'll be accessible to everybody through your stream anyway. So if you need to see it again, you can go to stream and type in the title and it'll pop up. Okay, so it won't just be like in one place, it'll be where you guys can get back to it in the future.
Okay.
So
So
just a thing, if you got words on your computer, you go and you type whatever you're going to type. I don't care what it is. And then you go over there and you make a text box, put it around that text, and turn it on a 45-degree angle. And now you got it.
That's really smart. Okay.
He makes it sound easy, but I'll show you guys in a video, or I'm gonna make him do a video and show you guys. Since he does his from a Mac, I'll try to get him to do a video from Mac, and I'll do a video for PC.
Cool.
How's that sound, Dave? We could do that, right?
Yeah, that sounds good. And look, to get rid of the box, after you turn it on a 45 degree, you put your mouse on the line and just put cut, it cuts the box out.
Yeah, that's totally don't work like that for PC. Totally different.
You can actually banish the box. There's a way to do it on Word.
No, I mean like the way he's describing it, it's totally not the same way on a PC.
Oh, gotcha.
Because I do everything on a Mac.
Yeah, I think we'll just start doing, try to get some proper videos recorded for stuff like that because people got that preference. That's a hard habit to break too. Okay, we're gonna continue on here.
Yes.
Okay,
So-
go ahead.
The step 2 is accepted for value is in red, and then you fill it out with blue ink. Step number 3, use a small 6-line accepted for value red stamp by hand or computer on the back side of the IRS form 1040V. Put it horizontally across the end of the 1040V as if you were endorsing a check. You must keep it on the back of the coupon area itself. None can be out of the coupon space. Makes sense. You do not detach the 1040V from the rest of the page. If you needed a guide, draw the cutoff line on the back page and fill it out with blue ink. That makes sense. Endorse the back of the 1040V. Step number 4, create 19 original blue wet ink pre-offset noticed for balanced book adjustment cover letters for the 19 agencies. I'm assuming we'll get a copy of that.
Yeah.
Step number 5.
Yeah, it'll be in there, but this is also something that with a little bit of your help or from data that's already been put into the system by you, it may automatically just create these documents and put them in your folders. So like I said, I'll be making videos and stuff as I'm getting it set up. I'm thinking there's not a lot more data that we need. We pretty much have all of the data. I just need to kind of give it an eyeball and see, how it fits together. Okay, but these are going to be in a folder, all 19. Because I have the list of most of the agencies. You guys are going to have to get whatever local agencies are going to be involved. You're going to have to make sure their information is in there before they could be populated.
Okay.
Okay, you can continue.
Step 5, make 19 copies. Okay, hang on. If there's 19 agencies or there's 18 agencies?
There's 18 agencies, but you want 19 copies because one copy is yours.
One copy for you. Okay, that makes sense. Okay. All right, so you make 19 copies, 18 for the agencies, 1 for you. For on regular copy paper, single one-sided, except for the 1040V and birth certificate pages. These are the only 2 which are double-sided copies because of the A for V. Okay, right, that makes sense. Step 6, address the envelope to the following recipients: the Secretary of the Treasury, Department of Treasury, whoever that is, if that's him, and use a notary's return address. Or can you send it yourself, or do you have to have the notary send it?
No, you have to have a notary do it.
Aha.
Yeah, it's always about the record and the return receipts, the proof of mailings at this point. You have to have every single drop of evidence that you can grab.
Okay. And if you have the notary send it, then that makes sure it gets out. Okay.
Right. She kind of stands between you and the public as your shield to make
Okay.
sure that everybody knows that, yes, you did this.
See, when they return it to the notary has to file in their notary book. Then they're going to call you up and tell you to come get your copy.
Okay. And with the 18 agencies, is it all in one envelope to the Secretary of the Treasury, or is that just one agency?
That's just one agency. There
Okay.
18 different agencies.
Okay, but use this format and have the notary send it out. Okay.
And the reason you send 18 copies out like this is, good and well they're not going to read it. What you're looking for is the green card with a signature that they accepted it. And after 30 days, you don't give a damn what they can throw it in the trash, do whatever they want with it. The point is, You sent it to them. You gave them an opportunity to read it and rebut it, which they didn't do.